Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the floor area accurately from a floor plan drawing in Revit. First, click on the File button on the top left corner, then select Export, CAD Formats, DWG File Type. Click on the Next button, then save the DWG file on the computer. Open the DWG file in AutoCAD. Open the Object Snap option window. First click Clear All, then you will only need to turn on the Endpoint and Perpendicular option. Click on OK to save the changes. Next, you can change the line color so it's easy to distinguish with the current drawing. Click on the Polyline button and click on any corner of the floor plan exterior walls to start the polyline. Continue to click on each corner of the exterior walls. Hold the middle button to move the drawing, or use the mouse wheel to scroll forward to zoom in on the drawing. When the mouse approaches each corner of the exterior walls, the endpoint snap will show up. You can then click the mouse, and it will automatically snap on the endpoint of the walls. Continue with all the corners of the exterior walls. After you click on the last corner of the walls, right-click on the mouse button, then select Enter. It will close the loop of the polyline. Click on the polyline you just created to check it encloses the area you want to calculate. Press Escape button to unselect the polyline. Click on the Properties and the List button. Click on the polyline you just created, then right-click to confirm the selection. The area of the polyline will be displayed in the command window below. The units of the area are in square inches and square feet. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.